Battery. Battery service should begin with a thorough visual inspection. This inspection may reveal simple problems that can be easily corrected. Before working on the car battery, place a fender cover for protection. Check for broken terminals and cracks in the battery case. Either of these may cause electrolyte leakage, which requires battery replacement. Check for cracked or broken cables and connections. Replace as needed. Check for corrosion on terminals and dirt or acid on the case top. Check for a loose battery hold-down or loose cable connections. Make the necessary recommendations. Measuring the voltage of a car battery. Take the battery tester and connect the test probes to the connection socket. Take the red metal probe and touch the positive terminal of the battery with its tip. Take the black metal probe and touch the negative terminal of the battery with its tip. Take note of the voltage reading shown on the display. Verify if the reading is within the manufacturer's specification. Most batteries would read 12.6 volts when fully charged at resting condition. Consider replacing the battery if the battery continues to lose charge, even when disconnected.